A few times I experienced hallucinations. It was very scary and confusing. Schizophrenia is a mental disorder where people interpret reality differently. When I was 7 or 8 years old, my first hallucination was actually a plushie from Lilo and Stitch. I had hallucinated that the toy basically was moving. Schizophrenia can result in hallucinations, delusions, disordered thinking, and disordered behavior. If I have an auditory hallucination, it's so clear that it sounds like someone is in the same room as me speaking to me. And for visual hallucinations, mine are very clear, very vivid, so they look like whatever I'm hallucinating is physically there in front of me. Visually, the most common thing I experienced and still experience today are objects changing into creatures. I was nervous about being open and telling anyone what I was experiencing. I had seen the way that people treat people who deal with what I deal with, and so I didn't really feel like I had a safe place to speak about my symptoms. But I'm very grateful that as soon as I did reach out to my mom, she was ready to support me wholeheartedly.
I have been present when Gabriella has hallucinated. We just got to get through it together. I'm right here with you. Just because I told her that it's not real, that doesn't mean the hallucination's going to end quicker, but it kind of reassures them and not just leave them alone in their head.
I've had people just simply not really want to be around me or associate with me because I was viewed as somebody who was not stable. I still experience hallucinations almost daily. They're just not as severe, but now I have better coping skills to deal with them. I become more aware of my senses, things I can see and feel and smell. And I also like to bring something tangible, so I tend to bring just like a small crystal or stone or something to fidget with. I frequently get other people of color coming to me and telling me that they have similar experiences, that they feel more comfortable speaking about it openly because it's nice seeing someone else within their community going through the same thing. I just want anyone, especially younger people experiencing this, to know that it's okay to reach out, that there's no shame, there's no guilt, and that you're not a burden.